What's up, YouTube? I'm back again. Welcome to Trucking with Pastor T. This is a continuation of the Class A CDL inspection, the DOT inspection. Right now, you're going to see me do a light inspection. Stay tuned. Signal light. Good. High beams. Good. So we're gonna make sure that your signal lights, your running lights, your high beam are all working. Also, it's important to know and make sure that your clearance lights are working. It's DOT. This way, oncoming traffic, they can know that this is a semi truck. You know how tall it is, how wide it is. So it's important that you have this there. Okay, let's move on around this truck. Left signal light. Perfect. Keep that on. Gotta make sure your marker lights are working, which it is. Like I mentioned in the previous video, guys, you want to make sure that these guys are working. And it is. Apply your brake. Brake lights work. Go down to your trailer. It's working. Just want to make sure all your lights are working, guys. DOT, and not only, and it keeps you safe. Apply your brakes. Right signal light. Good to go, guys. Good to go. Marker light. Oh, same as in the front. You want to make sure that you have your clearance lights. You want to make sure that they're working. So all three of mine work. And so you know, earlier I said you can tell how wide the vehicle is, right? And you may be wondering, well, the back of this truck is wider than this, so how do people know? Well, my lights, my clearance lights on either side are as wide as the trailer is, at its widest point. Those are to indicate how tall the trailer is. And although this is a different style of turn signal, it still has to work. Still has to work. I just want to clean them off, make sure that they're visible. In the daytime, and sometimes it's hard to see if the light shine in a certain way. So you want to make sure that these things are cleared off. Again, want to make sure that those guys work. They have to work, even though you're married to a trailer. Reflectors, lights. It is working. Turn signal is working. These are very important. A lot of times you'll get drivers who like to ride right here in this spot. It's a blind spot. So a lot of times what I'll do is, to get them out of that, I turn these signals on as if I'm going to get over. And that's enough to get people out of your way. Doesn't always work. Sometimes it does. It's working. Alright guys, that's it for my light test. Thanks for watching. Tune in. Next video will be the in-cab inspection. Also, I will probably merge that with the brake system check, the air system check. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what else you would like to see. Just be aware that this channel will be trucking. You go on rides with me, and also there will be some different thoughts and things that I have as I'm riding that will be shared with you guys along the way. Thanks again. Trucking with Pastor T.